Good morning, I'm Engineer Ara.
I'm Architect Con. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Antipolo Valley, Lower Antipolo. We have here a house and lot available for sale with 221 square meter lot and a floor area of 350 square meter.
We have 5 bedrooms with bathroom,
Roof deck,
balcony,
3-car garage,
maid's quarter with bathroom.
and a garden.
The unit also comes with an aircon.
CCTV and smart lock.
For today's tour, we will do a kitchen breakdown and stairwell and a powder room design.
Ito ang ating kitchen design. Makikita nyo, gumamit tayo ng warm white for good ambience. At ang center island natin is 2.7 meters by 80 cm. Ang height niya is 95 cm. Good for more than 3 people and it's very functional. From our center island, magdadrop tayo ng 10 cm for the front and back kitchen counter at meron na rin tayong outlet for gadgets. Ang design natin dito is quartz, on quartz, and quartz.
Ang drop light natin dito is alabaster light. And it complements our panel design, which is real wood. Meron na rin tayong cove light na paikot at strip lights dito. Mapapansin nyo, gumamit tayo ng gold accents sa ating mga drawer handles. Meron din sa ating faucet at ang ating spotlight to complement the wood panel designs for a luxurious touch. Meron na po tayong pots and pans, dish rack, trash bin, spice rack. At lahat po ng ito ay soft close. And we have plenty of storage.
Double door fridge, inakit na natin yung outlet, induction stove with exhaust. And here, meron tayong built-in microwave and oven. At for your goodies, meron na tayong pantry.
Ito ang ating stairwell design, which is very spacious. We have big wooden handrails with glass. At dito naman ang ating stairwell facade, which is real wood, for the elegant touch. At meron tayo ditong powder room. Let's take a look. As you can see, our powder room is aesthetically pleasing with our beautiful wall accent design, gold trim mirror, clamshell drop light, our standalone sink, our cream PVC ceiling, and our gold bidet. This is all to impress your guests. This property is available for sale, and if you want to inquire, just PM us. And stay tuned for the next episodes of our house tour.